Welcome to ReviewQuik. In this video we'll explore requesting reviews. This section will empower you to actively collect valuable reviews from your customers. To initiate review requests, head to the Get Review section on the left sidebar. Here you can seamlessly begin your review request campaign through various channels such as WhatsApp, SMS, email or QR code. Once you've entered the Get Review section, simply scroll down and you'll find options to personalize your review request templates for WhatsApp, SMS, and email. This personalization adds a thoughtful touch to your review requests. We understand the importance of timely reminders. You can opt to send automatic SMS or email reminders at intervals of 3 or 7 days if your customer hasn't had the chance to leave a review. This gentle nudge encourages customer participation. Additionally, we provide you the flexibility to edit SMS and email reminder templates directly within the Get Review section. This ensures your messages align perfectly with your brand's tone and style. It is important to ensure you have obtained proper consent to send these messages. Be sure to check "I have consent to send messages to this contact." After that, simply click Request for Review. You will see all the reviews you sent from here. Make sure to add the country code before the phone number when you are sending the SMS review requests. You can also bulk upload your contact through a CSV file. It is recommended to keep to a maximum of 100 phone numbers when you send bulk SMSs to your previous customers. You need to install the desktop WhatsApp application in order to send WhatsApp review messages to your customers. ReviewQuik. More stars, more success.